it's not a scientific law per se. So it's basically something that Gordon Moore, talked about, sort of, I think in the 60s. Basically, he said the number of transistors will double every year. Obviously, that went to, I think he revised that 10 years later to it'll double every 2 years, and the cost will come down. What's happening now is that doubling has sort of coincidentally happened over the years, and it's driven the industry as well a little bit into, it's kind of a self-fulfilling prophecy. So I think what's happened now, we're getting down to the realms of sort of angstrom level, but it's more nanometer at the moment level technology, which basically means can you still put that doubling of transistors? So it's not really a limiting factor as per se. What it's actually trying to say is you won't be able to put so many more transistors on a piece of silicon so rapidly. And I think if you take that in a sort of scientific way, basically what people are talking, when people talk about Moore's law being dead, is, well, you can't put so many more transistors on that single chip. How can you develop more faster, better processes to enable the compute that enables the AI that will then sort of deliver whatever services we want?